Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tarisa Anggraini and I am from class C. In this video, I will explain about vocabulary of 10 words from the text through the printers. Admittedly. A D M I T T E D L Y. Used when you are agreeing that something is true, especially unwillingly. For example, admittedly, there is a serious problem that must be dealt with here. Mainstream. M-A-I-N-S-T-R-E-A-M. The ideas and opinions that are thought to be normal because they are shared by most people. For example, he was never part of the literary mainstream as a writer. Statutory. S-T-A-T-U-T-O-R-Y. When it's been officially written down in a law. For example, we have no statutory authority to order anybody to make a refund. Firmly. F-I-R-M-L-Y. In a way that will not move, come loose, or fall over. For example, he wedged a chair firmly under the door handle. Province. P-R-O-V-I-N-C-E. One of the areas that a country or empire is divided into as part of the organization of its government, which sometimes has some control over its own laws. For example, a network of railways has spread over the province. Nevertheless. Nevertheless. Despite what has just been said or referred to. For example, we are going, nevertheless we shall return. Rudimentary. R-U-D-I-M-E-N-T-A-R-Y. Dealing with only the most basic matters or ideas. For example, she has only a rudimentary grasp of the language. Attach. A-T-T-A-C-H-E-D. To like someone or something very much. For example, the children are very attached to their grandparents. Underneath. U-N-D-E-R-N-E-A-T-H. Directly under and usually hidden by something else. For example, they found a bomb underneath the car. Laid. L-E-I-D. The past participle of the verb lay, which means set down. For example, he laid the book on the table. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.